Hello, everybody. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Shama Trades, and it's another week of Traders Update. And as usual, we are going to do some analysis on the pairs that we analyzed on previously. So on this week, as I normally do it, I'm going to start with the DXY on a daily time frame. From my previous videos, guys, you have seen how I do my analysis and also how my analysis perform. So on the previous video, I think I do some few recaps on this particular DXY. And as usual, I told you that the market broke this trend line. The one that I'm drawing, you can see the market respected here for the first time. It respected here for the second time, and it respected here for the third time. So that means this is a strong trend line. The market broke the trend line and also retested the trend line. Then the market flow to the downside. So that's what happened. On the previous video, I think the market was around. I think the market was around here. And I expect if the market could do some retracement around this area before now shooting to the downside. But the market did retracement, but the retracement was on a very low retracement around here. There is something that I didn't notice. If you can see that, there is something here that I didn't notice. You can see there is a level, kind of a level, I don't know, here or above here. You can see this is where the market retraced to. You can see when the market break here, it retraced around to this area. We can see this was a support and now it became a resistance. Then the market shoot to the downside. But if you have keep watching my videos, guys, I think I talked about this. I predicted this all move from the here to the downside. When I told you my videos back, I told you immediately when the market will break here and retest, then we will have a long ride to the downside. So currently, I don't have much to talk about on this pair because now what I'm waiting to see, I'm waiting to see the direction that the market will now give it to me. I normally don't trade on DXY, but I only use DXY for direction of the market. So if I can come on higher time frame, this is a weekly time frame, you can see the market is already at the area. So the two things that might happen around here, I think the market might pull up a little bit to complete this area. Then here, two things might happen. First thing, I think the market might reverse now to the upside. And the second thing, I think market might break to the downside again, retested to this area, larger area. Then we have a larger pullback, a larger move now to the downside around here. Now, if the market continues selling, if the XY continues selling and break all this area, then the last expectation that I will expect the DXY to move, it's around here at 89.689. So that's where I will wait to see the DXY. But I don't expect that much because in Forex trading, I always have two thoughts, the one for bullish and the one for bearish. Now, what I'm expecting to see, apart from the fall, I'm expecting to see if the market now will pull back. Let me now remove this one because I've talked much about this. The market has played it. Now I'm waiting now to see if now the market might change. If I can draw this line here. Now I'm waiting whatever will happen around here. I don't care because I know normally we'll have kind of as consolidations around this area. But now the moment market will break this level around here, maybe change of direction around here, then the market reverse around 60 or 58, then I will have a strong thought that the market now is reversing to the upside. So if the XY reverse to the upside, I know the other pair that will follow it, and also the other pair that will go on the same direction. So DXY, now I have complete analysis. Now let's wait to see the next move on DXY. That's where we will know where to put our trades on the other pairs. Now let's start with a Euro card. This is the first pair that we want to analyze. I think now I want to remove this pair from my watch list because I can't see any good setup on it. I expected this market to break. I expected this market to break this level retest and give me a sell setup, but I think that the market is continue bullish. And this is a zone, So market reverse around here, then this bullish is kind of much consolidating, and I don't like that kind of I normally don't like that kind of a setup. So for this, I'm going to remove this from my watch list. Then let's go to another pair. This is USDCHF. If you can remember, you can see this drawing where I drew it the last time when I was on the live video. I said that I expected this market to do some retracement before now going to the downside. But I didn't remember that we also have another zone here. You can see the market had respected this area here, and also the market came to this area before now shooting to the downside. You can see this area. So if I could have to take this trade, I think I could have just draw a level, a counter trend line. Then I enter around here. By now, I'll be almost to my first take profit. But I didn't take this trade because for me, it was too shallow. It was too shallow for me. I wanted to do a larger retracement on it. But I think for now, this pair, I'm going to remove this pair also from my watch list because I can't see any big setup right now unless the market unless the market came to this area and start moving up, break this area retest, then moving to the top, or break to the downside retest and moving to the bottom. So for me, that one, and it's a daily time frame, I think it will take a lot of time. So on USDCHF, the trade that I take around here and the one that I missed on the blow here, I think now I will have to wait for a couple of time to wait for another good setup that I will lead me to take that trade again. So now let's come to another pair. This is USD card. USD card, you know very well, if I move on a 4-hour, I wanted to take this trade to the downside, but the market did not give me that good pullback to the upside. So I end up not taking this trade and I missed this trade. But at the end of the day, the trade performed very well. I think this market is going to reverse from here. So I drew my yellow zone here. I wanted the market to give me a good pullback. I wanted the market to give me a good pullback to this area before now going to the downside. But the market just moved straight to where supposed to take my take profit. So I don't have any clue. But now let's see another thing here. If I can remove this thing, let's now see if we can have another setup around. You can see if I can draw from the downside to the upside, you can see very clearly that there is some area here. It's much respected. You can see market respected here and market disrespected this area, and market respected here for a little time before breakup. Now let's go to the weekly so that you can see it more clearly. Now this is now on my weekly time frame. Now you can see very clearly we have a strong level. Market respected here once, twice, thrice, fourth, and now it's respected for the fifth time. And where supposed the market to go is supposed the market to go to this area at the bottom here. So you can see now the market has break our trend line here. So now what I'm waiting if the market will pull back to my yellow zone, my fib level around here, around this area. If a market could pull back around this area, then I think I will take this trade. And this will be a big trade because the analysis is on a weekly time frame. So it means that it's a very big trade because my take profit will be around at the bottom here. So this is what we are waiting to see on USD card. I know this trade is going to take long because the market is maturing on our weekly time frame. So I think it will take a couple of times. So I'm not much on it. So let's go and see other pairs that we might expect it to happen sooner. So one of the pair that give me a really good profit is NZD-USD. Or those who are on my Telegram channel, I think I posted this trade. Even in this video, you remember very well when we ride NZD-USD from around here, I will ride this. Okay, it took me out, but the rest ride this trade to this area. And when the market reached this area, I remember very well, I told you that I expect this market to break and retest and then give us a push. So I missed on the sell side, but now unfortunately I got the right on the buy side. So I hit the full take profit. I hit 50% around this area. I hit another one around this area and the complete one at the top here. So I get all the three trades, which was about how many pips? It's about 250 pips. That was a good trade for us. Let's go to 4 hours so that you can see how everything happened. Okay, this is how we started. Market reached this area. This is my area. Then this is my trend line. The market break the trend line, retested to this trend line. I entered this trade around here. The market did respected my setup a little bit, then retraced to the same original site, same place, of which it was almost about to hit my stop loss because my stop loss was below my yellow line. Then the market retested back and moved straight to my take profit. I started eating my profit from here, then the last one I take profit at the top. So, and I remember this trade, I told everybody about this trade. So this trade, I know most of you guys got this trade. So that's all for NZD-USD. But if we have another thing on NZD-USD, if I can see it, let me try to see if we can have another setup because we got 2 setups now on NZD-USD, and all the 2 setups, the sell and the buy, we all benefit from it. And you know, we are swing traders. So when we get a trade, we enter a trade on a small time frame, then we ride that trade. It's really a good profit on it. So let's see if also we can have something here. Let's see if also we can have something here. We normally don't give up. Even if we can ride the same trade, the same pair for a couple of times, we don't care as long as we get something from it. So as you can see, we have a level. This was a level, was a good level here. and the market is already on that level, but it's kind of breaking that level. So if the market break this level, I think I will wait this market at this top, at the top here, because here we also have another strong level. So I will wait whatever the market will perform around here. If the market drops, retest, then I will also again go with the same trade to the downside. But if the market continue to this area, I will wait to break this level around maybe here, retest, then I will take the same trade to the downside. So that's much about NZUSD. I don't have much on it. Thank you for those who got it right and those who earn it from it. Those who watch and respected and expect to earn from that trade. I think now you are good and you are happy for that. Then gold, I didn't take any trade from gold, but I think I saw a setup on gold, I think on 4 hour, but I did not take this trade. As you can see very clearly, this is a resistance zone. Market respected here twice. The market break then came exactly to the same area. So if I could have taken this trade, I think this could be a buy. By now, I'll be on minor profit. Expect to take my first take profit around that area. Then let the other run. But I did not take this trade. I normally take trades on gold, the trade that I'm 100% sure, or the market that performed, or the setup that's performed on a higher time frame. That's now when I normally take trades on gold. I somehow kind of fearing gold setups. So that's all about gold. I think by now I have to remove gold because I can't see any good setup by now. Now let's now, can I move, if I can move now to another pair. This is palladium. Palladium, I think this market, I think is going up. But unfortunately, I'm not in this trade because the market didn't came to my yellow zone. I expected this market to retrace to my yellow zone before now moving up. But I think the market consolidate at this area, then started going up. But the setup was good. The market was break. You can see my level was broken very well, retested, but the retest was not complete. So for that trade also, I think I'm going now to remove this pair from my watch list because I can't see any good thing that's happening around here. I think the market has already left me. Now let's go to another pair. This is BTC USD. This market consolidate for a very long period of time. And as you can remember the first time when I take this trade from here, I wanted this market to pull back. I think we were waiting for this trade. I wanted this market to break the trend line, which did it around here. Then I waited this market to pull back around this area so that I can take that buy trade. And as you can remember clearly how the market worked, how the market did it, the market just moved back up to this area. Imagine, it's what the market moved up to this area. And I told you guys, I'm not giving up on this trade. So I see another thing also that I didn't say it before, which was this year. I see this is an area, and this is an area. And I told you guys, this was a week up to this area. So the market move and close above the area. So I told you guys that if this market close above this area, I'm expecting one thing. I'm expecting this market to continue to the bullish than bearish. Now, when I come to 4-hour time frame, you can now see clearly that the market did respected this trend line. Market break this trend line. Market retested this trend line. I drew this level. I sent I sent the setup on my Telegram channel. Those who want to join my Telegram channel, there is a link below there. You can join my Telegram channel. I sent this link. I sent this setup on my Telegram channel when the market was around here. I told you I'm entering this trade. The market has broke my counter trend line. You can see very clearly the market retested direct to my area. You can see market retested to my yellow zone. Now, after market retesting to my yellow zone, Now I waited this area to break this small area, and you can see now we are in profit. I'm now about to take my take profit one around this area. You can see this area. I think the area already, the market is already on my area where I'm supposed to take my take profit one. So I'm going to take my take profit one here. Then the rest of the take profit, I will take it when the market reach this area. That's when now I will take the full profit on this particular pair. But so far, so good. The trade was perfect. That's all on a BTC. So let's wait and see how the market will continue from there. Then another pair also that I want us to talk about it is OudCard. OudCard, you remember very well. I also sent this on my Telegram channel. Apart from sending it to my Telegram channel, I also discussed here on the previous video. I told you guys how I'm going to enter this trade. And this is where I enter this trade around here. You can see my level market break retest to this area. I enter around here. I took my first profit on this red line. And now my stop loss is around here. Then I'm waiting to see if the market will reach to my full take profit at the top. So that's where I'm waiting on OudCard. I don't have much to talk about OudCard. I already am on profit on that. Another pair also, USD JPY. I'm not currently on this pair. I want to see how this market will perform. I thought that this market is breaking, but the market respected this area. So I will take this trade when the market break this trend line, retest, then I will take that profit to the upside. Or if the break from the downside, then retested here, then I will sell from here to the bottom side. So that's all about USD JPY. NZD card is another pair also that I gain a lot of profit from it. You can see this was as the level below here. Okay, I'm just reviewing it because I talked much on this pair on my previous video. I talked much on this pair on my previous video. This is where I enter the trade, market break the trend line, retested to my yellow zone. Then I entered the trade around here. I took my first profit, my TP1 you can see here. I think it was on Friday or Thursday around there. I took my TP1 here. Then my stop loss is at this black line. Then I'm waiting to see if the market will continue to my take a TP2 or it will retrace back and took me out on my first on my TP1. So that's what I'm waiting. I'm expecting. I hope guys, all this trade that I'm speaking right now, you are also getting something from it, because all this trade I normally analyze here on my channel. I don't do anything behind the scene. Everything that I do yeah, behind where everybody saw this. So this is NAS 100. I'm expecting to see if NAS 100 will retrace to my yellow zone. Let me update my yellow zone. I think it's now above around this area. If the market will retrace to my yellow zone, then I will take this trade. But for now, I'm just keeping and watching it. Another pair that I expected to get from it is US oil, but I think US oil did not give me that trade that I expected. This was a level. You can remember very clearly. Let's go to 4 hour. Then to 4 hour, market break very clearly. Then retested very good. But now I wanted the market to come and break this area. I wanted the market, when the trade was here, I wanted to see this market come and break with the body around here. Then I will take this trade to the top. But the market keep retracing to the downside to form a double bottom again. It's another double bottom. And now you see the market is now trying to pull to the upside. So I will not take this trade immediately here. I will see if the market can break around here, also do some kind of small retesting. Then I will take this trade on a lower time frame. On a lower time frame. So for US oil, I did not take any trade. Now let's wait and see for the coming week how the market will play. Now, another pair also is odd CHF. Odd CHF, you can see there's a level, small, a very good level, 1, 2, 3, 4, around below here. So what what I'm expecting is to see this market breaking, coming to my yellow zone, before now going up. But currently you can see the market is below, it's above my yellow zone. So I will take this trade if this market come and eat my yellow zone before now going to the upside. But for now, I'm not in any trade on out CHF. Let's wait and see for the coming week what will happen. If the market will come to my zone, then we will take this trade. Then there is another 2 trades that I take. I think these 2 trades, I did not talk about it. I was supposed to talk about it on last week, but last week I wasn't on live video or I didn't post any channel or any video on my YouTube channel. So I just have to take this trade. So this trade is Euro GBP. One of them is Euro GBP. You can remember this is the only trade that give me that hit my stop loss on Q1. I think it was on Q1. This is where I hit stop loss. I don't say I don't hit my stop loss, but it's very rare for me to hit my stop loss. I hit also once or twice or thrice. But most of the time when I see the market is reversing against me, then I just break even or hit me with a small loss. But for this trade, I think hit me with a very good, hit me with a full loss. I remember, I think it was here when the market moved a little bit, then came, stopped me out around here. But now let's now talk what we are expected from now. So as you can remember, this is a zone. This is a zone around here, another zone around here. Let's go to 4 hour. You can see this is my trend line. The market break the trend line, retested very well to my yellow box. Then I enter this trade around here. And for now, we are almost on my TP1 because where I supposed to take my TP1 was around here. I think by now I have to take, I think that's what I will do on Monday when the market open on Sunday evening or Sunday night. I have to take my first TP around here and let the rest run to my full take profit. So that's all on Euro GBP. And the last one that I also did not tell you guys on my previous video is Euro NZD. On Euro NZD, you can see very clearly that we have a double top around here. The market respected here. You can see apart from a double top, we can also have another small double top here. Let me go to 4 hours so that you can see clearly we have a small double top here. And if you can see very clearly also, you can see we have a kind of head and shoulder. We can see we have, this is a shoulder, right shoulder. This is the head and this is the left shoulder. Now the market has break the neckline. So what I did for this trade, is, let me remove, I want it to be somehow clean. What I did for this trade, you can see this is a trend line. The market break the trend line, retested. I enter it here. Then my first take profit, I think, which area is it? Maybe around here. So I think this area is almost hitting my first take profit by now. So I think this is all the trades that I have that are on my watch list. So for those that we are expecting it to eat our take profit, let's wait and keep holding our trades. For those that already eat our take profit, congratulations. And for those setups that we are waiting maybe to take for the coming week, also let's keep watching and let's keep an eye on these trades and see what will happen. Those who have not joined my Telegram channel, you can go ahead and join my Telegram channel. And also those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can have this kind of videos every time I posted. So guys, I think this is all for today. So let's again see you on the next week.